Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how to get 4K quality on CapCut. So guys, select the video you want to edit and then select the clip and then tap on adjust, tap on grabs. Now do what I do on grabs, like this. And now go back, tap on video effects and tap on halo blur. Adjust it properly and then after that export it in high quality. Now make it the clip back to normal, like this. And now add the exported video as overlay. Adjust it properly. And now tap on the blend. Tap on burn and make it 24. After this, add a white stroke overlay. And adjust it. And again tap on blend and tap on overlay and make it 85. And finally export it in high quality. So that's how you can get 4K quality video on CapCut. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.